Hello YouTubers, this is G4 Webhead. This is going to be the first of 4 box breaks. Like I showed in my last video, I'm going to be breaking Fleer Retro, 2013 certified, and then 2 boxes of Chrome. But before I do that, brother wanted me to show off some cards that he got today. He did some more breaks. This is got some more of the I think Gypsy Queen or something, but you got another one of the animal patches. That is a striped marlin. And he also got another one of the alien invasion things. I mean, according to Becky, they look like 20 bucks a piece. So. And I think that other one, I'm not sure exactly what it looks at. Then you got autographs, Kent Herbeck, and a relic of Ryan Dungey. And then got a couple Chrome. Just all I got is a couple real refractors if anybody needs them. Pablo Sandoval, Edwin Encarnacion. Got 2 Geno Smiths. You got one out of platinum and one out of the good one. And you got a box of American Pie. You got a AJ Hammer relic with the pinstriping. You got a real nice Gilbert Godfrey with a lot of different colors in it. And Louis Anderson. So he just wanted me to show them. And the first box I'm going to do will probably be the retro. Since it's listed as 2012, all the others are 2013. I already took off the plastics. But you see, I got both the boxes. I took the plastic off of them, but everything's still in there. Let's show the packs real quick. I'm going to try to get through these as quick as I can. I'm still learning how to do these break videos. Some people I see them, they just run right through them. Let's see, first pack. Let's see, Bart Starr. Got a old-time Trent Richardson. And 3 medals. Dre Kirkpatrick. Roger Craig. Kellen Moore. Second pack. I mean, these are the first of these I've opened. So it's a new thing for me too. Second pack. Al Toon. Ooh, first autograph. And I believe it's a fairly decent one. Kirk Cousins. So that's a good, decent way to start. Then the medals. Kendall Reyes, Brock Osweiler, Rich Gannon. Third pack. So Jake Plummer. Legacy Collection Russell Wilson. Numbered 57 out of 100. So that's another nice hit. Then the medals, Archie Griffin, another Russell Wilson, and a Dan Fouts. See, pack. Oh, there's 4, I think. 3 or 4. We have Jerome Bettis, Precious Metal Gems, Red, Bobby Wagner, number 99 of 100. And then the medals, LaMichael James, Ken Stabler, Isaiah Peed. Now, really, and any of these probably be available for sell or trade if anybody needs any. So just either message me here or on Facebook. Facebook probably get a quicker response. So. Next pack, we got George Rogers, rookie sensation Dante Hightower, and the medals Michael Egnew, Cyrus Gray, Steve Young. Let's see, got 1, 2, 5 packs left in that mini box. Okay, we got Barry Sanders, rookie sensation Tyler Hanson, and then the medal Jerry Rice, Nick Foles, Archie Manning. Next we got Vinny Testaverde, rookie sensation Dan Persa, and then the medals Doug Flutie, Cordy Glenn, Trent Richardson. Next, John Elway. I guess it's probably like a throwback Doug Flutie or something. Throwback card. The medals Jarius Wright, Jim Plunkett, Alshon Jeffrey. Two packs left in this mini. But so I should still have 2 autographs coming. Since I only pulled that one. Got, yeah, see, Don Maynard. Second autograph, rookie sensation AJ Jenkins. And then the medals, Mike Rozier, Bobby Wagner, Don Terry Poe. And the final pack from that mini, we have Tim Brown, and the old time autographics John Hanna. And then the medals Matt Khalil, Tony Dorsett, Justin Blackman. So that's the end of the first mini box. Set that there. Now we're going to do the second. Let's see. Do all the packs. Okay, let's see what these will bring me. Okay. First pack, Tony Dorsett. Let's see, another one of those. I guess throwback card, Mark Barron. Try to get out the way. Then the medal, Shea McClellan, Bo Jackson, Mike Martin. Second pack. We have Aaron Rodgers. Next autograph. Autographics, Justin Blackman. And then the 3 medals, Ronnie Hillman, Melvin Ingram, Joe Namath. I have to say, at least one of them hit, and I'm at least getting decent names, or at least names I've heard of. I guess are pretty decent. Next one, Billy Sims. Another Precious Metals red, Doug Flutie. And it's number, ooh, I think that's a jersey number too. Number 2 of 100. If I'm not mistaken, that was his jersey number. And then the 3 medals, Barry Sanders, Dwayne Allen, Bart Starr. I kind of like these. That may prompt me to buy another box sometime. Of course, half the value up just the fun in opening the packs. See, next, Joe Theismann. See, next autograph, Isaiah Peed. And the 3 medal, Troy Aikman. Brian Quick, but I already had him for my PC, so. And DeVere Posey. Next, we have Ken Stabler and autograph, Stephen Hill. So, if I'm not mistaken, that's the 3rd one, so that should be all in that stack. Medals, Luke Kuechly, Drew Bledsoe, Bernard Pierce. See what we can do. Next pack, Darryl LaMonica. Legacy Collection, Andy Katzenmoyer. There's a name for you. Number 13 of 100. And then the medals, David DeCastro, Roger Staubach, Whitney Merciless. I know one thing I've never pulled, I always wanted to, is pull a press plate. I've bought a couple, but I've never pulled one. It's one thing I've always wanted. But next, Drew Bledsoe, and rookie sensation Doug Martin, and the 3 medals, Mohamed Sanu, Jerron Kreiner, Brian Bosworth. I think the lowest numbered card I've ever pulled was numbered to 5. I think it was a while back when I did it. Next, another one was throwback LaMichael James. Rookie sensation, Chandler Harnish. And the 3 medals, Vinny Testaverde, BJ Cunningham, Charlie Ward. I know that's one box I got. I think it's 2 years ago. It's a box of Elite. And I had one pack that had 2 down and dirty patch autograph cards. One was Steve Smith, and the other was I can't think of his name, but played for the Raiders. But it was both patch autographs, and both cards were numbered 7 of 10 in the same pack. That's something probably won't happen again either. But Mike Rozier, rookie sensation Travis Benjamin, and the 3 medals, John Elway, Reuben Randall, T.J. Graham. And the last pack. It's Joe Namath, throwback Mike Martin, and the 3 medals, Levante David, Anthony Carter, Nick Toon. So that's going to wrap up these Flair Retros. I think overall, I say I did fairly good on them. So Well, bringing this video to an end. And the next one I'm going to open will be the 2013 Leaf Certified, since I only got the one box of it. So sit back and stay tuned for the next break. Talk to y'all in a minute.